Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're passionate about keeping your tech in top shape, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our essential tech guides. In today's episode, we're diving into a topic that affects all laptop users eventually: the battery. We'll kick things off by showing you how to check your laptop battery's health. It's vital to know how much juice your battery really has left, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Identifying your battery model is next. I'll show you how to find the exact model you need for a perfect match replacement. Then, I'll take a personal turn and share my experience with replacing my Lenovo laptop battery, where I got it in Pakistan, what it cost, and why I chose that option. I'll cover it all, providing you with tips to make the best purchase decision for your needs. And for the grand finale, a comprehensive guide on how to install or replace the battery in your Lenovo. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who's never picked up a screwdriver, this segment will empower you to extend the life of your laptop with confidence. So let's get ready to breathe new life into your laptop. With a little know-how and some patience, you'll see just how rewarding DIY tech maintenance can be. Let's jump right in.
Hi, let's start with checking battery health from Command Prompt of Windows 11. Search CMD or Command Prompt in Windows Start Box or Search Box on Taskbar. Once CMD is open, type Power CFG, Battery Report, and press Enter. This path will start from MWI. Copy the path, open Browser or File Explorer, and paste it in URL bar. Now, we have a detailed battery report that shows us our battery capacity, full charge capacity, and battery cycles. We need these two to calculate our laptop battery health. Now open Calculator and take battery capacity. Then divide it with full charge capacity and multiply it with 100 to get your battery percentage health. Now, this is our battery percentage. As you can see, my poor 6-year-old laptop battery is on 55% health. So I went to multiple websites to get my laptop's battery, where I found only one online vendor called TBS, the brand store, that had cheap battery at lower price than market and same quality. I'll add link in the description. This battery costed me few thousand rupees less as compared to local vendors, so I placed my order after texting them and confirming if it was available. Luckily, TBS was very helpful and friendly, so after ordering wrong battery and contacting helpline to replace it with right one, I received my first order in 3 days and then replacement in a week, which had a public holiday too. Now, let's move on to replacing my laptop's battery. First, unlike normal laptops that have external battery, I have to remove all 13 screws in the back cover. Once all screws are removed, take out CD-ROM, or if you have replaced it with CAD like me, then remove its cover. Some laptops have strong clips, so it's better not to use your nails. Once that is done, take a pick or nails to remove clips inside by sliding it around the laptop in between back cover and top panel. Once cover is removed, we can see our battery attached to system with 1 cable and 6 screws. Disconnect battery and cell from motherboard, and then remove all screws. Now replace old battery with new one, put screws back, and attach battery cable and then cell cable to motherboard. Once all this is done, put everything back and start up your device with charger connected, and you are ready to go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.